My name is Corinne Fhima and I'm from France. I came to Gozo, to the Board Beach Club, because I like islands. Now I am working with a self-portrait, a double. I call her Eve, and from Eve I do a lot of pieces of art and installation and also performance. Eve, everybody. Someone that has a daily life, but also she transformed that into poetry and to another world, a poetic world. I did my study in the art school. I always worked with series and I began to work with pigs. And I did for 10 years, I did a pig series with installation, a lot of installation with pigs. And after a while, I began to put myself into the work of pigs. But now I'm working with Eve, so I left a pig in the past, you know. I'm always looking forward. So for me, it's the sea. You go to a hill and you see everything from the hill that's surrounded by sea. It's very beautiful. And also the nature, a lot of culture, which is very interesting, all these culture things. I am so surprised. I'm coming from a city, everybody is very ugly. No, really, people are not so nice. And here, I was so great because everybody is so nice. They want to talk to you. They're really in talking with you all the time. I really appreciate it.